Alright, here's another example where we verify an identity. This time, let's take a look at tangent x plus cotangent x equals secant x times cosecant, and I'd better put an x in there. Now, so I start out thinking, which side do I want to work with? Which side might look a little more complicated? So, watch this. I started off on the wrong side, and then I erased it because it's important if you're messing with the left side to write it on the left side. So I turned tangent into sine divided by cosine, and cotangent into cosine divided by sine. Now, since I've got two fractions, I may as well try to add them together. Notice I've got two terms on the left side, but on the right side there's only one term, so maybe it'll help me out if I can just get one term. So I multiply the first term by sine x divided by sine x, and the second term by cosine x divided by cosine x. These are both factors of 1s, and what they do is they make my denominators match. So then it's possible for me to combine my numerators and combine the denominators because they are like denominators. And if you notice, sine squared plus cosine squared is of course equal to 1. And now I have sine x divided, 1 divided by cosine x sine x. Now look at what I'm trying to get. I'm trying to get secant x times cosecant x. And I recognize here that I do have two reciprocals, and that this is secant x cosecant x. Alright, so let's stop for a second. Do you see what aesthetically I forgot to do? We'll fix it in a moment. So, reviewing. First I used a quotient identity, and then I added my fractions. Then I employed a Pythagorean identity. And lastly, I used some reciprocal identities. Now, all of these steps come from the list of tips that we looked at for solving identities. So it's just a matter of employing them. This is like riding a bike. You get better at it. Now, ideally, at the end, you see, beyond the shadow of a doubt, that one side matches the other side. We sort of don't write it down in the middle just as a convenience issue, but you're welcome to write it down on every step.